Hello, everyone. My name is Ernst Fusant. I'm with NanoTech Materials. I'm the Vice President of our Thermal Management Division. And we're here to walk you through how to properly apply the vehicular roof coat over your bus system. So our vehicular roof coat product provides three attributes. One being high reflectivity that reflects light off the visible spectrum that we all see. We have a low thermal conductivity component to our product that also stops energy from coming into the structure itself. And we also have a perfect emitter, which means that our product emits energy in the ultraviolet as well as in the infrared spectrum to stop the energy migration coming from the sun through to the structure itself.
Step 1. Cleaning and prepping the roof. First, remove all large debris, rocks, branches, and leaves by hand. Then pressure wash the surface at a minimum of 2,000 psi, holding the nozzle about 18 inches away. Or apply a solvent-based cleaner, rinse thoroughly, and let the roof dry completely. Next, lightly sand the surface with an orbital sander to promote coating adhesion and remove any existing blemishes on the surface. Remove all sanding dust by brooming or wiping the area clean. Finally, tape off any areas not to be coated and shield HVAC units with plastic and painter's tape for crisp, clean lines. Step 2. Priming the roof. Apply a rust-inhibitive or compatible primer to metal substrates, following manufacturer guidelines. Ensure full coverage and allow the primer to cure completely before moving on. Step 3. Circulating the product. Using a high RPM drill with a ribbon paddle, mix the vehicular roof coat for 3 to 5 minutes until it reaches a smooth, paint-like consistency. If the product sits more than 45 minutes, re-agitate before use. When reusing a partially used container, inspect for solids, remove any, and remix thoroughly. Step 4. Applying the product. With a sprayer or a 3/4 inch roller, apply thin coats, no more than 25 wet mils each. Verify thickness with a wet mill gauge. Allow each coat to dry for 45 to 75 minutes, building to 50 wet mils, which yields about 40 dry mils. After the final coat, avoid rain or freezing conditions for at least 8 hours. NanoTech Materials Vehicular Roof Coat, keeping your vehicles cooler and more efficient mile after mile.